Okay guys, another day, another unboxing. This time I'm actually unboxing a box. So this has been sent to me by Xin Tianya or Xin Tianya or Xin XT. Okay, so cause this is like a traveling channel, so I don't really unbox boxes. Okay, but they did send me a camping knife. So, but I'm going to talk about the box before I go towards the camping knife. Okay, so the box is very well made. It's not like the boxes that you get from Apple or other phone companies, which are like very nicely fit. This one, there's a bit of movement in it, but it opens very smoothly. The bezels and edges, everything looks very nice. It's nicely tapered in on the seams as well, and it's like a hard cardboard, so it's not that bad. These people, they make all kind of boxes. This is like, just I got an example, they make like jewelry boxes and all of that, so it is quite good quality. The base itself, it's the same cardboard, but it's like it's a bit of insulation in it, so anything that is put in there it's nice and safe. So now on to the knife which I got, which is this one. Alright, so this is like a camping sort of cooking knife. Okay, I don't know how much I can use this, but it is very nice. It's like one of those knives you get in games. Alright, so the grip has like a lace on it, so it's like it's nicely gripped, and it is kind of sharp. If I try and cut this cardboard away. Okay, yep, it is very sharp, and I think they're trying to give it like that touch of those Japanese knives, which are kind of similar texture from the top, but they're like very sharp. So it's a similar kind of knife, but it's good. Thank you for this. I think these people, they make knives as well, just not these boxes. So it has its own small holster, so you can just put it in when you're not using it and close it off, and that's it. So that is it. It's a very small unboxing, and the main reason for the unboxing was this knife, but the box itself is. Thank you very much, Xin Tanya. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but this is what it looks like. Thank you very much. I hope to collaborate with you guys in the future as well. Take care.